Hey, it's Josh at Home at 30, and today the people want to know, is going to college really worth it? Now, we all know college is getting outrageously expensive, and the way people have gone about it historically has made the experience not match up to those lofty costs. But let me just say this, if college is free for you, somehow you work that deal out, college is 1000% worth it. Unfortunately, things aren't so simple or affordable for most people. So my answer, is college worth going to for you? Probably. Now, since numbers are better at telling stories than I am, let's look at the stats. Numbers don't lie, people. Here are the salary statistics for college graduates versus students with just a high school diploma. According to the US Census Bureau in 2017, the median yearly income for people holding a high school diploma was about $37,000 a year. Their unemployment rate was 5.4%. The median for those with a bachelor's degree was $61,000. Their unemployment rate was 2.8%. Now, in case you're not a math whiz, that means that college graduates with a bachelor's degree earn about $24,000 per year on average, more than those people that hold a high school diploma. Now, if you work for about 40 years, get out of college at 25, work till you're 65, 40 years earning $24,000 more totals to about $960,000, which is almost $1 million. And who wouldn't want an extra $1 million? I can think of a couple things I would spend $1 million on this weekend, to be perfectly honest. I could do with that. I could figure that out. If you're on the fence about whether to attend college or not, ask yourself these questions. Firstly, what do I want to do with my life? Second, what do I need to learn to make myself successful? Thirdly, how will I learn those things? And fourth, how will I develop the network that will allow me to achieve that level of success? If you're absolutely convinced you'll be perfectly fine without a college degree, great, awesome. This day and age, you know as well as I do, you can learn anything that you want to online. But there's no guarantee that those lessons are free either. And who says that you'll have the discipline and time management skills to properly teach yourself what you need to know in your free time? College provides a structure and an environment that's conducive to learning. And if you know how to manage your money correctly, it can be affordable too. It wasn't that affordable for me because I was an idiot. I didn't think it through. Hey, it happens. Happened to a lot of people, actually. So don't be that guy. Don't be me. Me personally, I went to college because, hey, everyone was doing it. And at the time, it was the blueprint for making yourself successful. Now, it's still a key ingredient, but I didn't make the most of my experience. However, here are some key things that I learned along the way. Number one, college is what you make it. Don't just go to class and hope that your good grades will help you get a job when you're a senior in college. Companies want to see that you have good quality experience before they hire you for your first job. I know, sounds crazy, right? How do you get experience without having experience? But find creative ways like internships and things like that to build your resume when you're not in class. Number two, networking is very powerful. Humans are tribal. We like to work with people that we know. It's just a fact. My first job out of college was actually through a friend of a friend. The power of the network. He got me in touch with his friend at a company and bang, bang, boom, a couple of phone calls later, told me how to work the interview. I was good. I had my first job. Number three, grow as much as possible. Strike up a conversation with teachers. Learn about a new subject. Expand your boundaries. You'll probably never be around so many people your age ever again that are all pushing in the same direction, looking to improve themselves. So get out there, do something different, and you never know what you might learn about yourself. Going to college is probably a good idea for you because it's a great opportunity to build your network, learn new skills, and gain new perspectives. Ultimately, if you know what you want to get out of the experience, there's a good chance that it'll pay off. Don't go in blind like me, hoping that you'll figure it out somewhere between your sophomore year and junior year of college. Not a good strategy. If you know what you want going in, it's a good move. And I get it. Even if you want to be an electrician or master some other trade, an affordable education in business can pay dividends down the road for your career. Hopefully this helps you come to a decision as to whether college is worth it or not for you. Believe me, it's a big decision, so do your research and take your time. And if you're ultimately not sure which career you want to go after or what you're really focused on, go to a local college, a community college, a state college, something that's really affordable. Go there for a couple years until you figure it out, and then you can transfer to a more focused program after a couple years. Just please don't major in something useless, okay? Those are my thoughts on if going to college is worth it or not. Questions in the comments below. Let me know if there's a topic you'd like me to cover. And don't forget to hit that big red button below.